What's Disneyland like during the holidays of 2022? Find out next on Jaycation. What's up, Jaycationers? Welcome back to another video here in the Disneyland series. We're back with Mark, aka Latruce. What's up? He's trying to be awkward. He's trying to act awkward, but he's not awkward, bro.
What's up? We're it's cold this time. Last time we were here was end of August or mid-August.
Yep.
It was sweaty days, and now it's chilly days.
Now it's winter days. We're gonna check out all the holiday food, holiday decorations. Try to stay dry, but we're gonna ride Splash Mountain, so that's not gonna happen.
You know, we'll see. We'll see. Maybe they said it so you get less wet.
That's what she said. He's gonna set me up for that all day. Anyways,
Ali and Oof.
Make sure you follow Latruce. He's got a lot of great YouTube shorts.
Yeah, it might not be appropriate for everyone, but just have a little taste and see if it's appropriate for you.
All right, man, let's ride our first ride.
All right.
Trams are back, bro.
Yep, trams are back. I wish the heat was back. It's cold.
I forgot my sunglasses and my gloves, and it's 45 degrees out.
California is not supposed to go that low. 75 is supposed to be the lowest.
Didn't we walk this last time?
Yeah, last time we walked it. Now we're just sitting back like kings.
You think it's gonna be empty today?
Yes.
Yeah,
I hope so. But you always be surprised. It's Disneyland.
It rained most of the way up from San Diego, so
it's still drizzling right now. But
it's all good. I got my Mickey ears from Paris.
A little water never hurt anybody.
It's just freezing here. It's like we're in Disneyland Paris all over again. Mark's got a 2-year-old, and every time he comes to Disneyland, he's got a magic pass. He can't ride the fast rides, but
it's just small world.
Today he's with the boys, so we're gonna ride Space Mountain.
Yep. And how long is the wait? 10 minutes.
10-minute wait.
Let's do it.
And then I'm gonna eat because I'm hungry. Deja vu, bro.
Yeah. Oh, it's warm in here.
Year and a half
warm
ago.
in here.
Space Mountain this time around was super dark. All I saw were like white stars, and then I didn't know which way we were turning. I think I'm getting old. I think I'm getting old, man.
It's like jerking you around.
This is the boringest ride in Disneyland, right here. Right, Latruce?
Yeah, I've ridden it so many times because a 2-year-old doesn't think it's boring. How about for the guy driving it? Is it boring for him?
Half away, dude. Half away. We just rode Matterhorn, and I'm not stimulated enough. So it's time for Small World, baby.
Yes.
It's a small world after all. And this is where you take your 2-year-old Liliana all the time.
I'm excited.
And now you're gonna take your 2-year-old Jaycation. The sun's out, and I don't have my sunglasses. We gotta go back to the car, bro. You guys don't know how excited I am to ride Small World right now. He's sleeping already.
Hey, Small World is awesome.
Good night.
All right, wake me up.
Well, I just recorded the whole Banyan beef skewer segment in slow motion. So me and Latruce had the Bengal Barbecue. He had the rice plate. I had the Banyan beef skewer, which is the hot and spicy barbecue sauce. Is so good. And we're just replaying this from the last video we did a year and a half ago. But yeah, I need to stop recording in slow-mo. I need to get a new camera because this camera is awesome, but the video is right next to the slow-mo button, and sometimes you don't even recognize it.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Next ride, Splash Mountain. Let's check it out. This is my favorite ride. I'm so sad it's going away.
might be one of the last times I ride Splash Mountain before it turns to the Princess and the Frog ride.
Did you get drenched?
Un poquito. I got un mas.
We made it back to Star Wars Land, and this year we're not gonna make it to Oga's Cantina because there's a long line.
No fuzzy tauntaun.
I didn't want the fuzzy tauntaun, man. That made my lip freaking numb, bro. I wanted to try the milk this time around.
Oh yeah.
With Bailey's or something.
Next time.
Does that exist? Comment down below if you guys know. We made it to the Dole Whip area here by the Enchanted Tiki Room. This is the Tiki Juice Bar.
This is only mobile pickup.
Yeah, so you gotta order mobile through your Disney app. That's why he's for real, and he's Latruce. You got the pineapple Dole Whip, the classic pineapple Dole Whip, right next to the Enchanted Tiki Room. Oh, this is a must. This is a must. I've tried different types of Dole Whip where you put the juice in it. I've even had the ones over at Mirage, the ones in San Diego, but this is your Disney classic Dole Whip on a cold winter's day. That's what's up. I've actually never done this. I got myself a birthday button. Thanks, Latruce.
Oh, happy birthday.
He got me a birthday button.
Look at this right here. Look at that right there.
They made hidden Mickeys.
Yeah, so the guest relations person wrote that. Put a little hidden Mickey right there.
And a heart.
Maybe she's trying to tell you something.
Fifth ride of the day, Big Thunder Mountain. And it's not even 1 o'clock yet. So we're in good time here over the holidays. Ride number 5. Best remove 'em.
Best remove 'em. Who's that from? Who's that from?
Adam the Woo.
That's right. Join us. Shall you?
Waiting for the goat, Lionel Messi. Where's the goat? Let's go! Let's go! Best remove 'em.
Am I bleeding?
You're bleeding.
He came home.
This happened during the ride, guys. Best remove 'em. What's up, Mickey? What's up, Mick? It's 1 o'clock and we're here in DCA. We're with the Latruce family. There's 2 of the 4 of us are celebrating a birthday right now.
Yeah.
And we're gonna drink some Kahlua hot cocoa.
I think that's what it is, right?
I hope so. All right, Mark. So you got a Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
And I got a hot chocolate with Bailey's and Frangelica, which is another liqueur. No, he didn't get Coca-Cola. This is
iced tea, iced coffee with Kahlua.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers.
Thanks, man. Thanks for the birthday drink. Happy birthday.
This
Thanks,
is the
brother.
drink. This is the drink. It's like a super chat drink that I promised you.
Oh yeah, this is the fill-up drink.
A little fill-up.
Hey, thanks for the fill-up, man.
Now,
Thanks for the Kahlua fill-up. So that hot chocolate that was spiked made me hungry. So we got this Sip and Savor Pass, which is $54 for Magic Key holders, and you can get up to 8 different dishes. Latruce was saying if you divided it up, everything $6.75 and up you want to get, but if it's lower than that, you just want to pay the actual cash because you could do that. And you don't want to rip these off because they'll rip it off for you. We're gonna split a pass 4 and 4. Hopefully get some energy because I've been up since 5 a.m. this morning. There you go, pork belly adobo, Filipino style in DCA. All right, man. So we got the pork belly adobo here. And y'all think that I don't eat rice, but you gotta have rice with this, man.
When in Rome, but in this case,
Ooh, this is
Disney.
all fat right here.
It even has chicharron on the top.
Got chicharron. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Alright, I just spilled 25 cents. Alright, let's try it out. Ooh, nice and tangy. It's like a tangy adobo. Oh yeah, this is good stuff. We split it, it's what, 4 each? So 4 and 4, we got 3 more to go.
We'll probably get different things though.
Oh yeah, for sure.
For this pork adobo, we both had to add it.
Good chicharron too. Enjoying some music. Got these carnitas, mac and cheese over here. Looks like there's like some sort of crispy chili, Rice Krispie things in here. Oh, orange cilantro. Oh, that's good. Very cheesy. Little spice. Get that cilantro taste to it. That's good. So I got two more to go.
Loaded yucca fries.
They're thicker fries
There's like 3 thick fries and that's it.
with
Cheese.
2 carne asadas.
Oh, good.
Is it Bombay Sapphire?
Bomb.net. That's good. Hey people, subscribe to your channel. I mean, Latruce. At Latruce YouTube.
AKA Latrol.
AKA Latrol. I have YouTube shorts that do well. And edited videos that get like 4 views.
And you're a Jaycation mod.
You could be the 5th viewer. Oh, don't mess with me. I'm a Jaycation mod. I have the power to mute you for 300 seconds.
Minnie and Mickey! Hi! It's time for web slingers!
No, that's webs. That's webs. That's webs.
Vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff. We have Pim Particles and Start Tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff like these spider bots, for example. Check it out, they have this really cool self-replicating feature.
Are you ready?
I'm ready to sling.
We made it to Pim's. Thanks for the light, Latruce. I'm drinking a pink lemonade lager from San Luis Obispo Brewery.
Yep.
Pretty good. What are you drinking, dude?
Drinking the Marshmellow Stout from Garage Brewery, which I've been to a few times in Temecula. It's near Pachanga.
Nice.
This is one of my favorites, Marshmellow Stout.
And what's the other drink over there?
The other drink here is the
Honey with alcohol.
yeah, honey drink with alcohol.
Alcohol.
You get to keep the cup. Honey Fusion 2.0.
Cheers.
This is what an awesome.
Cheers, brother. Thanks for a fun day.
We were ride heavy in the beginning, and now we're just chilling because everyone came after the rain stopped.
And we're about to go live, and we're gonna go shopping, and then we're gonna call it a video.
Yeah,
We're fading.
we're a little older than last time.
1 year and a half.
It's a lot more tired.
You got like $8.50 off of this hat.
Yep. That's the
Nice.
Magic Key discount.
Pretty good.
Inspired.
I finally got a Nike hat.
With Mickey on it.
With Mickey on it.
That's a legit hat.
All right, we're gonna do more shopping. I'm tired. That's why I'm not showing anything. If you guys enjoyed this video, check out Disney for Adults we did last year right up here, and we'll see you guys in the next video. And in the words of Jaycation, stay traveling, San Diego.